Rose and Justin. This is Larry. This is Randy and Gina, and we are so excited for you. This is such a beautiful wedding, and we are happy to be here celebrating you.
Much love.
Okay, you guys, I love you both so much. And it's only by God's grace that you have found each other. And I'm so happy. I love you and God bless you. This is Grandma. Bye.
Oh, sweetheart, I have watched you grow up to be such a wonderful man, and I am so incredibly proud of you. And now to have met Rose, I finally have a wonderful granddaughter, and I cannot wait to get to know her even better, to watch you guys grow, and to watch you build your family. I love you so much. Grandma Patty, just in case you didn't know.
Justin and Rosie, my two loving gamers. This is your favorite Aunt Shelley. You know how much I love you, and I am super excited to be part of this journey. You guys are made for each other. Please just love each other, kiss on each other. And I'm hoping that you hear this before the tonight, because I sure as hell don't want to hear you all night long. Love you.
Hey, Justin and Rose, this is Art and Isaiah. We just wanted to say congratulations, and we wish you guys the absolute best. Thanks for having us. God bless you guys.
Hey, Justin and Rosie, this is Mama Sierra. I love you guys so much. You're having a great time right now. Love you. Bye.
Hello, Justin and Rose. This is Aunt Nancy and Uncle Scott. We're just wishing you many, many years of happiness and love. And just always remember to be good to each other, be kind to each other, never take each other, take advantage of each other, and you'll do fine. Happy marriage.
Congratulations, Justin and Rosie. I'm so happy for you guys.
Hi, babe. This is Rosie. I will always love you forever or never, never. I'm so happy to have this time with you. And I'm even more happy. I'm sorry I couldn't express more words. I can never express what kind of words mean the most to me for you, because you mean the most to me in everything. I love you, babe.
Yo, what up, homie Junior? This is Doug. Just wanted to say congratulations, man. Proud of you, brother. Keep up the good work. Peace.
Congratulations. You're still like a little baby to me. Bye.
Rosie and Justin, congratulations. This is Tatiana. What a wonderful thing for you guys to be married. I wish you all the best. I love you both, and celebrating you too.
Randy and I want to say thank you for having us. We loved it. Beautiful wedding, beautiful couple. We wish you all the best. Congrats.
What's up, bro? This is AJ. I love you, baby.
Hi, Justin. Hi, Rosie. I'm so happy. Also, this is Amanda, by the way, Christian's girlfriend. I'm so happy you guys got married. You guys looked amazing. It was so fun. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy you had a beautiful night. I love you guys, and I hope so many happy more years for you.
You know what it is. It's your boy, Christian. I'll just say I had a great time at your wedding. I turned up, I danced, you guys looked amazing. I cried like a little bitch. I love all of y'all.